Welcome to another great tour offered by Select Real Estate. Location, price to sell. From the moment that you arrive at Island Walk, you'll love it. Once you see the waterfront view and tree-lined street, paver sidewalks from the front porch of this Vasta Ruba villa and step into the foyer. Beautiful, upgraded and maintained home. West features like light and bright front living room, west bay window, open kitchen with Samsung stainless appliances, granite counters, subway tile backsplash, upgraded washer, dryer in laundry off kitchen, west custom built-ins, pantry, open dining area, family area, den west wall mounted flat screen TV, leading out to large beautiful screen courtyard, west privacy wall, 2-car garage, west alley access. On the second level you will find a large bright master ensuite, west walk-in closet, west custom built-ins, gentleman's closet, west built-ins, master bath, west dual sinks, built-in.